Hey guys, Technometry with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to force restart or reboot or restart your iPhone 12. This is going to be really helpful, especially if your phone is frozen, you're having any minor software issues, it's glitching, it's being buggy, any sort of issues that are really minor. This will fix it and hopefully resolve those issues. So it's going to be really straightforward. What you want to do is make sure your phone, of course, is probably like in this state. You're going to first want to press and release the volume up button quickly, and then press and release the volume down button, and then you're going to do is hold the side button here until you see the Apple logo. So we're going to just show you guys how that's done in real time. So I'm going to press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button and then hold the side button. So as you can see, I'm holding a side button. I'm not going to do anything where it says slide to power off anything. I'm just going to wait till we see the Apple logo. So keep on holding and you're going to see the Apple logo appear, and that is force restarting your iPhone 12. And this method will work on iPhone 10, 10s, 10R, 11, 12, any of the iPhone 10 and above. So this method is slightly different from the previous generation of phone. That's why we are doing the video. And once you have done that, you'll see you'll get back to the main screen, main home screen here. That means you have successfully now force restarted your iPhone. And hopefully if the phone wasn't responding, if you had many minor software glitches or issues, that has also resolved as well. And if it still hasn't done that, go ahead and do another reset, force restart of this same thing. It's going to be again volume up really quick, volume down, press and release really quick, and then the side button hold till you see the Apple logo. And then the other thing you're going to make sure after you have done that is a good thing to always make sure is go into settings, general, software update. You want to make sure you have running the latest software on your phone, because with each software iteration, Apple releases bug fixes, glitches, any software defects that could potentially be impacting your phone. So make sure you guys check for any software update. It's going to check and let you know if you have any sort of software updates that you need to, and then of course download and update it. So hopefully this video is helpful in fixing whatever issue that you might have been experiencing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.